Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add transitions in Adobe Express Video, an easiest way to add transition to help you create smooth and engaging video. First of all, tap open your Adobe Express application to get started. From the main homepage of Adobe Express, click on the blue button with a little plus in it at the bottom right hand corner. From the suggested sizes, you can go ahead and choose video or simply upload your video by tapping on Upload Media and clicking on Photo Library. Select a video clip you would like to add and transition using Adobe Express. Choose the first video and then tap on Done at the top right corner. You will then be able to import the video on the timeline. Now, go ahead and tap on the plus button in blue at the bottom left again and select Upload from device once again, or you can also click on Media option and choose any other media provided by Adobe Express. Here I'm just gonna open up another video from my device's camera roll. So go ahead and select the video and tap on Add again. Now you've added two different videos. Simply tap on Add as a scene on the preview screen at the top, and you will be able to add the new selected video as another scene. Right after you add another scene, you will notice a little plus icon at the middle of both video clips or the image clip. Simply tap on the little plus button and click on Add Transition at the bottom. If you want, you can also keep adding more scenes in order to create multiple transitions. After you open up the transition menu, go ahead and select the transition of your choice, and this will be applied to your video. You can repeat this step for 3 or 4 more transitions you want to add. After you are done selecting a transition, click on the tick mark, and right after the video ends for the first layer, you will be able to notice the selected transition taking effect to your video. Experiment with different transitions to find the ones that best suits your video, and that is how you can easily add transition on your video using Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.